Filmora 13. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Wondershare Filmora 13. So let's get started. First, open Wondershare Filmora 13 software on your computer. Import the video clip to which you want to add text by clicking on the Import button and selecting your video file from the File Explorer. Now, drag and drop your video clip from the media library to the timeline at the bottom of the interface. Next, select text option, click on the text graded tab located above the timeline. This will open the text menu. Then choose text style, browse through the various text styles available in the text menu. You can choose from titles, lower thirds, openers, subtitles, and more. Now drag this template to timeline. Once you have found the text style you like, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline above your video clip. Next, now edit text. Double click on the text template in the timeline to open the text editor. Enter your desired text into the text box. Adjust the font size, color, alignment, and other text properties using the option in the text editor panel. Then position text by clicking and dragging the text template in the preview window to reposition it on the screen. You can place it anywhere you like over the video. Then, adjust duration. Drag the edges of the text template in the timeline to adjust its duration. You can make it shorter or longer depending on how long you want the text to appear in the video. Click on play button in the preview window to preview your video with the added text. That's all. That's how you can add text in Wondershare Filmora 13.